Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's the Jason with Banky with Crypto Vision. I'm coming back at you. It's Wednesday, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the few coins. I'm kind of trying a different format now. Instead of doing the normal 6 coins that I do, I'm going to go ahead and try the format with doing just 3 coins. You know, we'll switch it up every day. Maybe we'll do Litecoin, we'll do XRP, we'll do XLM, or we'll do Bitcoin Cash, we'll do Bitcoin, and just so on and so on. But let's go ahead and get into this. Go ahead and take a look at the see if there's any good news out there right now. Newsworthy. Let's see, news. Just 1 second. I thought I had everything all set up here. I guess I didn't. Hold on just a second, guys. I apologize. Google. Okay. Okay, if I can find it, that would be great. Let's see, hold on. Maybe I can actually get a browser here that will actually cooperate with me. I'll have it here one of these days, guys. Okay. Okay, here we go. I had it pulled up a minute ago, but it just something must have happened. It must have got X'd out or something. Okay, we'll take a look at what's going on with Ripple right now. Let's see. Let me refresh it here and see if there's any noteworthy news out there. Well, it's looking could Ripple XRP go to 172 a coin? Now that's a video. I'm not going to get into that, but some people are saying it could go to $100. Some people are saying it'll go 50 cents. Let's just see a gradual incline first, and let's just build momentum and see what happens. Let's go. I think let's go ahead and see here. I think. Did we already look at this yesterday? I really can't. I apologize for all the notifications here. Yeah, we already saw this. I thought I refreshed this. Let me try refreshing this again. 5 hours ago. Let's go ahead and try this one. This one does not look like something I've already shown you guys. Let's see. Crypto. If my computer will be so kind as to cooperate with me. There we go. Most Japanese are long on crypto. XRP sparks the most bullish sentiment. GMO surveyed over 11,000 participants during the month of February with the intention of interpreting Japanese market sentiment. The results were quite interesting. More than 70% surveyed consider cryptocurrencies are a long-term investment however, most of them think that speculation is the main appeal of the digital assets. The Japanese exposed the crypto markets after the boom of 2017, where virtually all tokens experienced nearly parabolic surge in prices. We all remember the huge run-up from 2017. According to the interview, 90% of surveyed entered the market at the end of 2017. So it's looking like a lot of them have jumped in 2017, and we kind of had 2018. 2018 was kind of a reversal of that. It was a huge bear market, as we all know. But it looks like things are finally starting to recover. Let's see if there's anything else down here that's really worth getting into. Ripple has strived to break the Asian market, as reported by Ethereum World News. The San Francisco-based company has consistently shown an interest in Asia, specifically the Chinese market. However, it is important to mention that there are already financial services provided by SBI that have helped promote the token's acceptance. So it looks like they're really trying to get this token accepted all over the place, all over the world. because you're noticing a lot of businesses now are starting to take this token. XRP has just signed a deal that's going to make a lot of banks. A lot of banks are going to be using this token as well. Let's see if there's anything else out here. Let's see, IBM IBM is one of those banks that have signed a big deal with Ripple as well. So IBM is something that's going to really be something you want to watch, because I really believe it's going to make the price of Ripple. I'm thinking $1, guys. $172 a coin. Yeah, maybe in a few years, but I'm thinking more like $1. $1. To me, $1 seems more reasonable. Right now we're at about 30. Sorry about that. Right now we're at about 32 cents. I can see us hitting 65 cents, maybe 70 cents. I'm thinking more like $1, but I'm thinking over time, maybe in the next few years, you could see a $100 XRP coin. That's why today, call me a little crazy, but I have a new feature. They have a new feature on Coinbase that I totally love. They have it where you can, at first it was a thing where you could just convert all of your, like say if you wanted to convert your Litecoin or whatever coins they have holding on Coinbase. Well, now they have it instead of just Bitcoin. You can convert your Litecoin into XRP. You can convert your Litecoin into Ethereum. I mean, every single token now, it's not just limited to Bitcoin. Every token on Coinbase, they have it where you can convert. So I kind of did something maybe a little foolish, but I think it's a smart move. I had about a Litecoin and a half, and I already had about $50 worth of XRP. I transferred all my Litecoin into XRP now. I've got about almost 500 XRP tokens, so I'm really hoping, we're thinking that there's going to be a breakout. I'm thinking within the next, I don't know, maybe 24 hours, maybe 2 days. They're looking like it's going to really break out, because we've been having a lot of consolidation for XRP right now. But I am really, really, really looking for a real big run up. I mean, you could see 36 cents, maybe even 40 cents for XRP. But let's go ahead and see if there's any other new. Actually, hold on just a second. Let me see. Ripple price analysis fundamentals. Optimistic we are, as we also recognize the banks are conservative before experimenting with new technology. It is unusual for them to demand demonstrations with cogent, I'm probably butchering these words all to pieces, cogent explanations as to why they should shift. However, it is the entry of IBM and big banks, Big Blue's decision to launch a similar service, the WorldWire, which somehow competes with Ripple. Well, what I'm thinking is, if IBM's one of the first banks to do this, I really believe they're going to follow. The other banks are going to follow. You're going to start to see Citigroup following. You're going to start to see all these other banks following. This is just my opinion. Please don't take this, just take this with a grain of salt, but I'm really seeing, you know how it goes. When one does it and it's a success, it's all going to be a success. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the hold on a second. Let's go ahead and take a look at the coin market cap. Like I said in the beginning, we're just going to do a few coins tonight. Sometimes I kind of tend to overdo it on stuff, so if I do too many coins, please let me know, and I can cut down the amount of coins we go do analysis on. So tonight we're going to do XRP, Litecoin, and let's say Bitcoin. So for Litecoin right now, you're at your number 4 spot, and you got a market cap of about 3.97 billion, and we're at wrong one. We got market cap for Litecoin. I was reading the wrong coin, duh. But we got a market cap of Litecoin, 3.713 billion at $60.90 a coin. Right now we're up about 0.86%. And let me enlarge this up. Lost it all together. Just a second, guys. I think I'm totally losing my mind tonight. Computers will actually make you do that. There we go. Okay, we got it now. So let's go ahead and take a look. And now the stinking, there we go. Okay. Anybody who owns a computer knows what's going on. Let's see. Okay, there we go. We're back to normal now. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart for Litecoin. As I said, it's at 60.71. And your one-day chart looks like this. Looks like your lowest for Litecoin today was about 58.57. And then we shot back up 60.51. And it looks like your high is so far, I want to say 61, guys, because I saw it touch 61 earlier. So let's go ahead and go with 61. And just a lot of ping pong, a lot of back and forth here, a lot of sideways trading. And we all know that with sideways trading, something big is coming up on the horizon. So don't be like me. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. I just think that XRP is going to explode here soon. But keep as much Litecoin as you possibly can. It's always good to diversify. Let's go ahead and go on to our next token. Looks like just a lot of stability in Litecoin building, a lot of volume. Just 1 second. Okay. And our next coin we're going to do is XRP. We're only going to do 3 tonight. And that's in the number 3 spot with a market cap of 13.299 billion at 31.9 a coin. 31 cents, 31.319. And we are down right now 0.10%. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart. And let's see. Yeah, it's a lot of ping pong here, guys. Real stagnant, like real flat line right here, but then all of a sudden you have a spike up here. I'd say this is your low for today, about 31.4, and then you got a run up all the way of 32 cents, 32.07, which is really great. And then you got a lot of sideways going on here. And they're predicting that sometime tonight or the next couple of days, you're going to see a nice little bounce off of XRP. They're not saying how much. I would say 34, maybe 35, maybe 36 cents. So it'll be enough for you to make a nice little profit here for those of you who've been holding for a while. But let's go ahead and take a look at your number 1 coin, which is Bitcoin. And Bitcoin's got a market cap of 71.790 billion, and you're at 4,078 a coin, 84 cents. And right now we are up 0.23%. And let's take a look at your 24-hour chart. And your 24-hour is looking pretty good, guys. I mean, we started off at about 40.70.13, then we retraced back down. A lot of ping pong here. And 40, let's see, your low for Bitcoin today is going to be 40.38, I think. And then let's see. Looks like your high is 40.87. So Bitcoin's looking real good. I think Bitcoin's going to break out to about the 5,000 mark within the next couple of weeks. We're going to have a couple of weeks of consolidation, a lot of sideways trading. But it's just, think of it as just building momentum for the next push. Well, guys, I think this is going to just about do it for tonight. I hope you guys have a great Wednesday evening. And this is Jason with Crypto Vision signing off. Y'all have a wonderful evening.